Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today it is Friday. I am sitting in the Walmart grocery pickup and we are picking up some groceries. It is 5 o'clock. I just got out of work. I placed the order last night so that way I could have it ready for today when I got out of work. So I have my meal plan, which I did today while I was at work. I was multitasking. So on Friday, which is tonight, we're gonna have some frozen pizzas we have at home. Like, we have a local pizza place that freezes like their bar pizzas and they are delicious and so worth it. Tomorrow night we're going to have cheeseburgers. Sunday I'm gonna make some grilled chicken, roasted potatoes, and broccoli. Monday we're gonna have breakfast for dinner. Tuesday we're gonna have enchiladas. Wednesday we're gonna have leftovers, and Thursday I'm gonna make a pasta bake, like a baked ziti. So that is our meal plan for the week. So when we get home, I need to clean out my fridge. It's like, it needs a desperate clean out. So I will share a grocery haul. We'll restock everything. We'll do like some ingredient prep. We'll wash all our produce and do all that stuff. And whatever else we can possibly do, I'm sure. Like, my fridge needs a major clean out, so we will definitely be getting that done. So I ran into Walmart. I got some organizers for my new organizing business. You guys will see that if you follow me on Instagram. You already saw it, but I created and started my own company. I've been doing organizing. I do people's like homes, offices, businesses. Right now I'm doing a professional stager, and she's got an entire warehouse, so I'm organizing all of that. So I will put my page information down below, but I will have a whole video all on that project coming up on my YouTube channel probably in 2 weeks, because I still have another whole week worth of work to do there. So but I will see you guys when we get home. If you like these videos, if you like cleaning, organizing, and all that, you are definitely in the right place. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so here is the groceries. I've got them all laid out for our snacks and like cereal stuff. I got this big bag of Frosted Flakes. Kevin and the kids both like Frosted Flakes, and we have a ton of milk to use up, so they have this sometimes as a snack. I got some of these strawberry Nutrigrain bars, the kids' favorite granola bars, the chocolate dipped ones, these fruit snacks for the kids. Leighton loves the Barbie ones, and fruit snacks have been like a weird, hard thing to find, so I got this pack as well. We're going to have burgers tomorrow night for dinner, so I got some hamburger buns for that. For snacks for me, I got some chocolate rice cakes, and then all of our produce is here. We've got bananas, we've got sweet potatoes, we've got baby gold potatoes and baby red potatoes. We have some romaine, we have a cucumber, we've got 2 pounds of strawberries, 4 pounds of organic carrots. This is like my favorite broccoli. They only had 3 bags, and there was a different kind of frozen broccoli too, because we're all out of like the big bag of frozen broccoli, but this one I think is even better than the BJ's one, and we use this in like one sitting. So sometimes I just have this with like something quick for dinner, so it is absolutely so good. I wish they had more, I would have bought it, but let's see, I have my coffee over here. We have some cream, whipped cream. I have some yogurts for the kids. They like these Chobani flips. Some of these daddy yogurts. If you've been around a long time, you know that my kids love these yogurts, and my husband has them too, so we call them daddy yogurts. Leighton has like yogurt bowls a lot in the morning, so I got this Greek yogurt for her. Some Go-Gurts for lunches, a big bag of red grapes, a big bag of green grapes, and then for our meat, I got some prime rib burgers. These are delicious. They're so, so, so good. And we have been getting, oh, what do you call it? Oh my God, Butcher Box. But I did want to, I only have one thing of chicken breast left, so I wanted to prep these. I want to make some shredded chicken, and I also wanted to make, just prep some chicken for the week as well. So I just grabbed 2 of them because I only have one next week, one for like the following week. So all of this hopefully will last us like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks if I can push it, because we do still have a thing of apples here and a couple of random things of produce. But I got another thing of chicken, what are these called? Chicken fingers. And they're like they have veggies in them too, so I don't know, it's better. And these are like our favorite. I absolutely love these buffalo chicken tenders, and I put them on my salads and all of that. So all of these 3 things are gonna go downstairs in the downstairs freezer along with all of these bags. But here is the fridge. It doesn't look terrible, but it is. Like, it really needs to get like wiped out. There's moldy cucumbers in there. Do you see that? Gross. So, but we did really good waiting until we were just about out of everything to grocery shop. Like, there's only cucumber, a head of lettuce, and 1 bag of carrots. So, and down here, there's some yogurt, some cheese sticks, and only 1 yogurt drink, but that is okay. But we just gotta kind of tidy everything up because it's a lot of it messy. Not a little bit, a lot of it messy. All right, so we are done. I have all of my fruit here. I just let it like kind of dry and sit, and I'll pick them all off, like the vines, all the grapes, and all that, but I let them kind of sit and dry out really well first before I put them away. So let me flip you around and show you our nice clean fridge. So it wasn't super dirty, it just needed to get like organized and like kind of put back. So we have all our yogurt here. I've got that other big yogurt back there. We still have a little bit from last week that Leighton will use up. We have all of our yogurts. That's bothering me that they're not the same way. There we go. Then here we just have our milk, and I actually have to get a coffee and bring my coffee up. I meant to put one up here, but I forgot. Our orange juice, my big thing of egg whites. We have 2 things of leftovers, which we will use up probably tomorrow. I also need to fill my eggs, but I want to use these first, and then I want to wash this container out. So I've got another thing of eggs downstairs. But we have our hamburgers, like I said, are for tomorrow, and I'm also going to make this chicken tomorrow and for Sunday. So I'm just going to leave it right here. Then our drinks, that shelf was pretty clean. I just tidied this drawer where we keep like our cheese and lunch meat and cream cheese, sour cream and all of that. Our veggie drawer was also relatively clean, so we have everything here. And then I just organized the kids' little snack drawer in there. But that is it for this video. I think Sunday I am going to do like some meal prep. I'm gonna make some muffins. I'm gonna make some breakfast sandwiches. I'm gonna do all that. So if I get the energy together, because I've been so busy with all of my other projects and working now a second job because I'm still at the bank. And then working at this other job, which I am obsessed with. And Kevin went today to go like move some furniture and all that stuff, and I was so jealous that he got to go and I didn't, but that just tells you how much I love it. But I also still love my regular job too. So anyway, I digress. But if I get the energy, I will film it, and I'll either make a separate video for like some healthy and yummy. Actually, I'm gonna share my buffalo chicken dip recipe too. I'm making that this weekend because it's Super Bowl. Well, let's be honest, there's a football game during the Eminem and Dr. Dre concert. Like, let's be honest. However, if I get around to it, I should have the energy. I will push through, and I will share some yummy like meal prep, my buffalo chicken dip. We're gonna make some cookies. I've been trying to make all these things like for the week, so that way we don't have to. Maybe I'll make brownies. I don't know, I'm very indecisive today. So, and actually we didn't get pizza. I was talking to my sister on the phone, and she mentioned that she went out for Chinese food with like her family on her birthday. Her birthday was on Wednesday, and I was like, Chinese food sounds so good. So Kevin picks him up on the way home. He's got the kids. Leighton was at gymnastics. So I'm gonna go change out of my work clothes, put some comfy clothes on, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. I have another video coming super soon. I've got a ton of awesome content coming for you guys. So make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.